हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 4.6 मैट्रिसेस टॉपिक वी आर डूइंग. So exercise 4.6 we have already started in the previous video. So let's continue with the same exercise. Here this exercise is on product of the matrices. See question number 20 we will do now. Question number 20. See what is this? You have to find x if this multiplication is there. So we do this multiplication. What is the questions here? A1x1. So this is a row matrix. Then there is a multiplication with 3 by 3, that is square matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. Then 3 2 5 3 2 5. Here multiplied with 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 3 is equal to 0. Now first of all ये दो मैट्रिक्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सी दिस मैट्रिक्स इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 3 and this मैट्रिक्स इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 1. मतलब 3 रो और 1 कॉलम है. सो the product matrix will be of order 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Then we will multiply with this. So let's do this multiplication. इसका multiplication करेंगे हम. 1x1 as it is we will write. 1x1 as it is we will write. इसका multiplication करेंगे हम. So it will be a column matrix. This will be our column matrix. So we will get a column matrix. ये आपको column matrix देगा. This is 0. So first row into column, second row into column और third row into column. So we do this multiplication. So let's do this multiplication. 1 into 1 plus minus 4 and 9. Then second row into column, that is 4 minus 10 18. Third row into column, that is 3 minus 4 15. So it will be equal to 1x1 this row matrix into this column matrix. See what is this column matrix? ये column matrix क्या आएगा? देखो 6. Okay, 6. Here it is 12 and this is what 14. Right hand side is null matrix 0. Again you multiply it. So multiplication of this will be this row into column. So how we multiply it? See this row into this column we multiply. So we will get the matrix. See this is what is the order of first matrix? 1 by 3. Order of this matrix is 3 by 1. So therefore you will get the matrix of order 1 by 1. So first row into column, that is 6 12x plus 14 is done. First row into column and this is equal to, sorry, here it is 12x plus 14 is equal to 0. Null matrix. So we equate this. This will be 20. See this is what 20. It is 20 plus 12x and which is equal to 0. So therefore by equality of matrix we have, इसमें आपको मिलेगा 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. मतलब x will be equal to minus 20 upon 12. मतलब it is minus 5 upon 3. Okay, minus 5 upon 3. So you will be getting x. X is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Now let's do question number 21. See what is this question number 21. You have to find here value of x and y. So we find value of x and y if this equation is given. So first of all सबसे पहले हमको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, सारे एलिमेंट को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो वी विल डू दिस. 4 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 8 माइनस 4 12. Then this is 4 0 8. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस ये आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ये मैट्रिक्स 3 माइनस 3 4 2 1 1 2 1 1. ओके. सो हियर मल्टीप्लाइड विथ दिस मैट्रिक्स, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स है ये यहाँ पे 2 माइनस 1 1 एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई. दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई. तो सबसे पहले हमको ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स. 8 माइनस 3 विल गिव अस, सी हियर द मैट्रिक्स 5 माइनस 4 प्लस 3 इट इज माइनस 1 12 माइनस 4 8. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं हम. 4 माइनस 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 0 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1. ओके, इट इज माइनस 1 8 माइनस 1 दैट इज 7. वी आर गेटिंग दिस आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसके साथ. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द मैट्रिक्स एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू द इक्वेशन इज दिस एक्स वाई कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. हाँ, दिस मल्टीप्लाई दिस. हाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई इट? रो इंटू कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो इंटू कॉलम एंड सेकेंड रो इंटू कॉलम. सो दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज वॉट 2/3 और इसका ऑर्डर है 3/1. So you will get a matrix of order what? Matrix of order 2/1. 2/1. Okay, column matrix मिलेगा आपको. हाँ, so multiply this here. We'll get the column matrix. First row into column, that is 10 plus 1 plus 8. Then second row into column, that is 4 1 and 7, which is equal to xy, which is equal to what? xy. Yes, simplified. What is this matrix? It is okay 19 and this is 12 is equal to xy matrix. So equality of matrices says that the order of both matrix should be equal and the corresponding elements order must be same. इन दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स मस्ट बी इक्वल. तो करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट मतलब x मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 19 और y मस्ट बी इक्वल टू what 12. y must be equal to what 12. So this is your answer. So here the answer is this: x is 19 and y is 12. Okay students, we'll do the next question, that is question number 22. Here the answer of question number 21 is 19 and 12. So then we will do question number 21. So let's do question number 21. Here we do question number 21. Okay, find x y z. So here we find what x y z if this equation is given. So we solve this question. Question number 21, find x y z. What equation is given here? इसमें इक्वेशन क्या दिया है देखो 3. See the matrix 2 0 2 first column, 0 2 2 second column, minus 4 into 1 minus 1 3, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and this is multiplied with the column matrix 1 2, 1 2. This is equal to, we are interested to find x, y, z. So here x minus 3, again it is a column matrix, y minus 1 and 2z. So first of all you multiply it, that is 6 0 6 will be the first column, 0 6 6 will be the second column. Again multiply here, 4 minus 4 12 and 4 8 4 8 4, multiplied with 1 2. Here the right hand side is x minus 3, y minus 1, 2z. Yes. Then subtract this. So after subtracting it is what? 2. Corresponding elements we subtract. It is 4. Then minus 6 it will be. Here 0 minus 4 it is minus 4. 6 it is minus 2. 6 minus 8. Then 6 minus 4 is plus 2. Multiply with the column matrix 1 2, 1 2, and the right hand side is, what is the right hand side? X minus 3, y minus 1, 2z. Yes students. Multiply this. What will be the multiplication of this matrix? See here the order of first matrix is what? It is 3 by 2. Order of second matrix is what? It is 2 by 1. So you will get 2 by 1. So you will get the order of matrix. Product matrix क्या मिलेगा आपको? 3 by 1. Yes, 3 by 1. Right hand side का matrix भी 3 by 1 है. So let's do this multiplication. तो इसका multiplication करेंगे हम. First row into column. See here. First row into column. Second row into column and third row into column. So what will be this multiplication? इसका multiplication क्या होगा? देखो. First row into column. So we are getting column matrix. First row into column, that is 2 and minus 8. 2 and minus 8. 4 and minus 4. 4 and minus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. And this will be equal to what? इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Minus 6, ये होगा 0, and this is equal to what? Minus 2. What is your right hand side? Right hand side है आपका x minus 3, y minus 1 और 2z. So we equate the corresponding elements. मतलब x minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 6. Sorry, x minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Here x corresponding elements we equate. X minus 3 is equal to minus 6. It means x is equal to what? Minus 3. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. And 2z is equal to minus 2. Therefore, z is equal to minus 1. Yes. So answer is what? Minus 3, 1, minus 1. Okay. This is the answer. So here the answer is x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. So here up to this question we did in this video. Okay. So next question. See here is the next question. You have to show that a square is equal to what? Cos of 2 alpha, sin of 2 alpha, and this. 23rd question we will do. Question number 23. A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So you have to show that a square is equal to what? A into a square is a into a. So cos alpha sin alpha, again multiply with the same cos alpha sin alpha here minus sin alpha cos alpha here minus sin alpha cos alpha, multiply. So we will be multiplying it first row into column. See here, first row into column, first row into second column. So what will be the multiplication? A square is equal to what? Here a square is equal to, here multiplication is this cos square alpha, and this is minus sin square alpha. You know cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is cos of 2 alpha. Then cos alpha sin alpha, it is cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha, it will be. Then second row into first column and second column. So second row into first column and second column. So here minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, and this will be minus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So look at here, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, it is cos of 2 alpha. And here sin alpha cos alpha, it is sin of 2 alpha, 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to what? Sin 2 alpha. So here also minus 2 times, it will be minus 2 times sin alpha cos alpha, and which will be minus of sin 2 alpha. So let's write here a square is equal to what? Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, it is cos of 2 alpha, and see here it will be 2 times of sin alpha cos alpha, so it is sin of 2 alpha, This is minus 2 times sin alpha cos alpha, again it is minus of sin 2 alpha, and here cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, it is cos of 2 alpha. Yes, done. Which is to be shown here. So you have to show that a square is equal to cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. So we have shown here. So yes students, let's stop here. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.